Kexin Electronic Industrial Limited is our leading global PCB spare parts and consumable manufacturer, focusing on PCB drilling and routing solutions since 2006. In order to be the most influential supplier with diversified products in the PCB market, Kexin constantly keeps up with the market and focuses on the advanced technology in PCB industry. We design, manufacture as well as resources integration to make your PCB drilling and routing process running trouble-free. We offer PCB CNC Router, PCB Driller and Router spare parts for all the popular branded names such as Pluritec, Giga, Tongtai, Hitachi, Schmoll, Posalux, Taliang, Anderson, etc. PCB consumable such as drill bits and rotor bits, as well as PCB backup board. Meanwhile, we provide spindle maintenance. With more than 15 years of development, till now, our customers spread over more than 20 countries. With the vision of being professional, perfect, and reliable, Kexin will continue to work hard, hope to cooperate with the PCB manufacturers all over the world. Kexin Electronic Industrial Limited.